Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your normal photo into a terrifying Halloween mascot photo, completely free and super easy to do. You don't need any editing skills or complicated apps, just one app called Dreamface. So if you are ready to get spooky this Halloween, let's jump right in. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just go ahead to the Play Store and then download it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free plan which gives you weekly credits to generate a few AI photos or videos every day. So yes, you can do this even without paying anything. Next, after logging in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filters. This is where all fun happens. And then just scroll a little until you see the Halloween filters. This one. Halloween filters sections, and then just tap on it, and then there are three ghost mask filters available. This one like this. Each one will give your photo a different creepy ghost appearance. You can try them all, but for now let's pick one to start with. Just choose your favorite mascot filter. In this tutorial, I will just choose this one, to it in the mirror, and then just select your photo, preferably a clear portrait where your face is visible. I will choose this one, and when you're done, just tap on animate. And okay, like this, Dreamface will automatically turn your photo into a scary mascot photo like this, complete with realistic effects and haunting vibes like this. And okay, that's it. Your creepy Halloween mascot photo is ready. You can download it and then share it with your friends. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.